Imagine winning up to $1 lakh, getting internship, and even reaching Singapore Global Finals, all from an online competition. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'm going to share you a global opportunity where everyone can participate in this program, and it is currently live. Yes, I'm talking about the International Quant Championship 2026 challenge. What is this challenge? What are the criteria? How to create a Brain account? All things will cover in this video. But make sure to subscribe the channel and share the channel with everyone. And also I'll tell you how you can do and participate and get the best out of this opportunity. So what is this program? So the global quantitative finance competition is that where you build mathematical models called as alphas to predict market movements using the world's quant brand platform. And here we'll cover everything in detail. So let me first of all tell you who are eligible to participate in this program. So anybody who is at the age of or above 18 plus, means if you are 19 years of old, you can participate in this program. Okay, if you are from World Quant, means if you are the employees of this particular organization or past winner, then you cannot participate in this opportunity. But if you're participating for the first time, you can participate from anywhere. Now, what are the steps and what are the things you have to do for this particular opportunity? So first of all, let's come to the key details. So it is a global three-stage team-based quantitative finance competition. Here you have to form a team of 1 to 4 people. See, I'll tell you if I am able to see, as they have clearly mentioned that forming a team of 1 to 4 teammates, so mostly you can participate solo also. Now here you can form a team with the people who are from same university and compete across various stages, and you have to develop, means you have to just develop alphas. What are alphas? As I said earlier, you must be knowing mathematical models. Okay, so here you have understood how to form a team, and if the team scores well and its member will have the opportunity to compete with their designated finals for their respective country, territory and region. So if you are from different countries also, you can surely participate in this opportunity and take the benefit of this program. And top scoring teams may be eligible to win cash prizes worth $1 lakh, and you must be knowing how much is $1. You can comment down below. So take the opportunity and how to participate in this program. Okay, so you must have seen there are multiple videos regarding the program, but no one is guiding you the actual process. So here is the complete process. First of all, you have to register, which link I've shared in the description. First of all, you have to register in this particular platform. After that, you have to just click on it and open on a new tab. Now here you have to sign up. If you are forming a team of up to 4, they have shared. So if you are forming a team, each participant should first of all complete the registration process. First of all, you have to register in this platform, means the link which I have shared. After that, you have to register in the World Quant Brain platform. From here, you have to come and here you have to just click on sign up over here. Okay. So here you have to just enter your email and just enter your password over here. Okay. And then just click on I agree and just click on next. Okay. Now here you have to enter your name. Okay. Just enter your legal name. Select your gender, country of residence, and your phone number over here. After that, you have to just go to next. Okay. So let me just add any random number. Now you have to select your university. And are you presented as a contractor other than no? Then simply click on sign up and just click on next. Okay, we have to just scroll down and then click on next, and I have read all the terms and conditions. Just select it and just click on I agree. So this is how you have created your Brian account. Now you'll receive an email regarding the detail of confirmation of email. You have to just open that mail and confirm your account. Okay. So after you click on that link, you'll be redirected to this particular link. From here, just click on get started. Now here you can see all your details are there. You have to just enter things over here. So yes, this is the simulation. Now from here, you have to just click on it and just click on the team over here. Now here your team name is there, your creation is there, your university is there. So if you want to invite up to 4 members, they have allowed. So more 3 members will be added. So you have to just share their email. For example, we have to just share, and mostly just click on save changes. So they'll get the invite over there, and they will have to just sign in over here in this particular platform and accept your invite. After that, what will happen? You have to just come across their learning platform and learn more things over here. Means they have provided complete course guide about quant finance research and modeling, and after that you have to complete and increase your scores by submitting alphas. Okay, then if you don't know about alphas and want a detailed guide, you can just comment down below. They have clearly mentioned that alphas are mathematical models which are used to seek and predict future price movements. So I think it's related to marketing only. Now here are the cash prizes, which is I have already shared that a pool of $1 lakh, and which will be divided into national and regional winners. Okay, so you can see the first prize, second prize, third prize, including a global prize. And see, if you are participating individually, you'll get whole prize sum. But if you are participating as a team, means 4 people are participating, then the prize money the team will win. For example, they have won $2,000. Okay, so it will be distributed among all the 4 members. Okay, so like this, it will be done. Here you can see, if you want to know more about the webinars, about these challenges, means what will happen next, you can just register on this webinar. If I just open it over here. Okay, so here we have to simply register in it, and let me just see. So from 19th of March, the session already started. So there are some more sessions fully packed. You can watch these sessions and participate. So here you have to just register over here, enter your details and just register. You'll be notified via email. Okay. Now, what are the prizes? I have already covered. There'll be some certificates and all the things they have mentioned. So hurry up and register in this opportunity. Okay. So first of all, let's cover the timeline. So first there will be qualifier round. Okay. So first of all, you have to form a team of 1 to 4 teammates from your university. Okay. After that, you have to create account. How to create account I have already shared. Then you have to just work on it. Means you have to create mathematical models to predict the future price movement. Okay, if any of your friend is from finance background, he or she will help you. Do not worry about it. After that, once you have qualified, you'll be reaching into the next national round, which will be virtual qualifying round similar to the previous stage, and it will start from 26th of May. After that, there will be national finals. Okay, it will happen in Mumbai, and then the global finals, which will be in Singapore. So you'll be getting free of cost Singapore. Means accommodation, food, everything will be provided by your team itself once you cross the national finals. So this is the important thing I wanted to share. If you're interested in different events also, you can just navigate to the channel and participate in all these events. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section, guys. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.